Look at these gorgeous blue skies. Oh my gosh. Today is such a beautiful day. And this is our square foot garden. We try to keep up with the weeds, but it's so difficult because of the lushness of this area. It's always raining and things grow like crazy. But I think they're doing pretty good considering. But oh my gosh, guys, look at these gorgeous blue skies. Aren't they beautiful? And this wisteria is going crazy. This is like a monster plant. Hey everybody, I'm out here enjoying the gorgeous weather. Oh my gosh, today is absolutely perfect. And when the days are like this, I can't resist. But anyway, I'm out here enjoying the last few days of summer. The temperatures are definitely lower and there's no humidity. And no, I'm not trying to give you a weather report. But I just wanted to share with you just how gorgeous it is in my neck of the woods today. But I'm very excited because we're going to be doing an unboxing today. I'm going to be opening up the Curated Bead Box for the month of October. And if it's anything like the previous box, I'm really looking forward to it. Now, if you're not familiar with the Curated Bead Box or you've never tried that box before, I'll leave a link down below so you can go to the website and check it out. Basically, the Curated Bead Box is a monthly subscription box and it includes beads, charms, pendants. All of the items are specially selected and they usually come in a combination of colors and themes. Usually there are enough materials to make bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and anything you want. The box sells for $20 a month and that includes shipping in the USA. And one of the nice things about this box is the starter findings kit, which usually comes in either gold or silver, and it includes crimp beads, elastic, beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and clasps. So basically there's no need to go out and buy anything extra because it all comes in the box, of course minus the tools. And if you don't want to sign up for the subscription, you can always just buy one individual box. I know they sell previous boxes on their website, and like I said, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below along with a coupon code for 35% off your first box. The coupon code is Luisa 35. So anyway guys, I'm going to go ahead and switch modes and go into my indoor mode in a few moments, and we'll go ahead with the unboxing. But before we do, let me remind you to subscribe because I'm going to be doing some giveaways very, very soon. In fact, once I get done with this unboxing, I'll make something with the contents of the box and I will give that necklace away or bracelet or whatever it is. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be announcing that in the next video, which will be the tutorial. Part of me does not want to go inside today because it's so gorgeous out here. It really is. You know, if there was a way for me to do unboxings and tutorials out here under my pergola, I'd find a way. But unfortunately, with all the wind and the leaves and insects and everything, it's not possible. All right, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead with the unboxing. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Here's the box, and it looks like the name of the box is Fall Foliage, so it's a fall theme. And as you can see, they give you a little preview, and I love the colors. They're definitely fall colors. I see a lot of earth tones, some oranges, some yellows. On the left are the contents of the box, and on the right are some codes, and these codes pertain to each of these items. So if you need additional items from the box, you can go to the dollarbead.com website, put in the code, and it should pop up whatever item you're looking for. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the box. I can't wait to see what's inside. As you can see, it's all wrapped up in tissue. Let me pull it out. And as always, it is full of beads. Look at all of that, guys. Look at all these beads. Oh my gosh, that's so much. Let me remove them from the tissue. Look at how many strands you get. This is unbelievable. Here's the Finding Starter Kit. This is an excellent thing to have if you're new to the industry because it has a lot of the things that you need to get started. So anyway, let me go ahead and organize these and we'll go through each one. So let's go over the larger beads. We have 2 strands here. These beads are all 10 millimeters in size. This first one is 6.5 inches long, and it's a duo style glass bead in fall colors, and I just love these colors. Look how gorgeous these beads are, guys. We've had duo style beads from them before in different colors, but this one is just stunning. And I don't know how they achieve the veining in these beads. These are glass beads, but they look like gemstones. But if you look, there's a lot of veining inside of them. Very pretty. I see a lot of burnt orange. I see earth tones, gray tones. These are so gorgeous. And that's one of the things I like about these. Even though they're glass, each one is different. Each one is different and each one is unique. They're so pretty. And this one here is glass as well. This strand is 8 inches long, so it's a little bit longer than the other one. And the name of this one is Fire Agate Style Glass Bead. So these are supposed to resemble agate, and as you can see, they're in 4 colors as well. It's like a deep orangey color. And then you can see a little bit of gray there, right where the hole is. Very glossy, very smooth. I love these. And here are the 8mm strands, and there are actually 5 strands here, but I noticed the box lists that there should only be 4 8mm strands. I think there's an error because they listed one 7-inch strand of 10mm gemstone beads, and I believe it's this one, but these are actually 8mm. So there's a little bit of confusion. I'm not sure if all the boxes are the same, but I'm just letting you know in case you run into the same issue, okay? So in other words, the label shows that there are 4 strands of 8mm and one 7-inch strand of 10mm gemstones, which is this one. This is the 7-inch strand, but these are not 10mm, these are 8mm, okay, in case you're wondering. But it doesn't matter because they're absolutely gorgeous, and these are so long I had to fold them over. You get so many beads. So this first one is called Gold Rustic Glass Pearl Bead, and this strand is 16 inches long. It's extremely long, and you get so many beads, it's ridiculous. I mean, look at this, guys. You can do so much with this, and I love this color because you can mix this with all kinds of other colors. It's a very nice shade of gold. It's not too yellow, it's not too pink, and we've had this kind of bead before but in different colors, but I love this gold version. It's really nice. Let me bring it up closer so you can see. Okay, and then this next one is a marble style glass bead, and this one is 16 inches long as well. As you can see, they have a little bit of brown detail on top of an off-white background. Very lovely. I love these, and very smooth. And then this one is Carnelian Citrine Duo style glass bead. So if you'll look, there's a little bit of reddish carnelian throughout, but the bead itself is a yellowish color. And it's a pretty strong yellow color. It's not a very pale yellow. Very beautiful. And then this one is a pale carnelian style bead. So to me it looks more like a peach color, but I love it because it's nice and subtle. And this one is 10.5 inches long, and so is this one here, the citrine one. Okay. Very beautiful. And like I said, this one's 7 inches long, and it's mixed gemstones. And I don't know what kind of gemstones they are. They're probably agate and maybe some jasper. I'm not sure. But these are definitely earth tones, as you can see. So there's a lot of grays, a lot of browns, some yellows. So we have a nice selection of round beads. Plenty of beads to make bracelets, earrings, whatever you want. And here are the 6mm strands. Each one is 16 inches long. And this first one is called Sand Marble Style Glass Bead. And as you can see, each one has like an orangey brownish splash of color on top of an off-white background. They really do look very interesting, and I can totally see a gorgeous necklace using these beads. And then this one here is called Dark Brown Round Crackle Glass Bead. And it's a very deep coffee color, as you can see, and you can definitely see the crackle. This would actually make a very pretty bracelet with some gold accents. Gorgeous. And here we have a bag of 8mm gold round iron beads, and there are approximately 20 beads in here. As you can see, they're pretty shiny, a nice gold tone. And they look like they're pretty good quality, and these would make great accents up against those other glass beads. Next is a bag of neon orange inside color seed beads. That's the name of them, and they definitely are neon, as you can see. So the neon color is inside each of these beads. They have like a neon core, and then the outside is a transparent pale orange color, I would say. I don't know if it's transparent clear or orangey. I can't tell because the neon is reflecting on the glass. But as you can see, you get quite a few. The description says you get an ounce of beads, and these are size 6/0. And here they are on the rod. Now they're not all uniform, as you can see, okay? So these are great for bead stringing, but I don't know if I would use them for bead weaving because if you're looking for precision, you need the beads to be identical, and these are not all identical, okay? As you can see, some are a little bit wider than others. But, you know, like I said, for bead stringing, these are perfect. Sometimes I like variation in my beads. I don't always like them the same, okay? Because when you have variation, it makes the piece look more interesting. And as you can see, some have more neon than others, which is fine. And they will definitely add a pop of color when you're using earth tones. I actually do love this orange color. I've used it before in some previous designs. And it really does add a lot of visual interest to a necklace or a bracelet, and you have quite a few here to play with. And here we have 2 flower bronze metal charms. They're 40 by 26 millimeters, and these are so gorgeous. I love these. Oh my gosh. I love the flowers. I love the orange colored flowers. Some of the flowers have resin, some don't, and there are 2 colors of resin. There's orange and there's black. These are definitely great for fall and even Halloween because of the colors. I can see adding a little skull dangle inside of each of these frames. Wouldn't that be cute? And finally, we have the Finding Starter Kit. And like I said before, if you're a beginner, this is a great thing to have because it really does help get you started. We have some ear wire hooks, and these are the kind that have the little gold bead on them, as you can see. We have some lobster claw clasps, a nice size. We have some crimp beads. I think these are 1 by 1. They're small. We have some memory wire. I believe it's 0.70 thickness. Okay, and you get about maybe 6 rings or 8 rings. You get enough to make a bracelet anyway. You get some stretch cord, and it's a thick stretch cord, which is great for heavy beads or larger beads. You get some beading wire, and I believe it's the 7-strand beading wire. And as you can see, it's in a gold tone. You get some jump rings. These are 6 millimeters in size, and these are actually pretty good quality. I love using these. I think they're about 19 gauge, so they're pretty thick. And then you get some head pins as well. So you pretty much get everything you need to make earrings, necklaces, bracelets. So this adds a lot of value to the kit if you're a beginner. Well, that's it, guys. That's the fall foliage collection. And don't you love these colors? These are gorgeous fall colors for sure. And there's a lot of variety here, all these different sizes, different textures. Plenty of beads to create several necklaces and bracelets and earrings. I know I'm going to have a lot of fun with these beads. I can't wait to start playing with them. All right, let me go ahead and clean this up and I'll come back and say goodbye. Okay everyone, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I sure did. I can't wait to sit down and play with those beads. They're so gorgeous and I'm definitely in the mood for fall. And like I said before, please subscribe because I'm going to be announcing some more giveaways very, very soon. The next video will be a tutorial using the contents from this box, and I will be giving away that item, whatever it is, whether it's a necklace or a bracelet. So stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again, and have a great day. Bye.